Hi, this is O.E. Burke, Service Manager here at Freedom Volvo in Virginia Beach, with this month's Tech Tip. And this month we're going to talk about factory scheduled maintenance intervals versus a routine oil and filter service. We have a lot of confusion about why do one over the other, and we want to kind of clear that up this month. Volvo, as I'm sure you're used to, recommends a factory scheduled maintenance, and on model years before 2013 it's every 7,500 miles. Prior to 2004 it was every 5,000 miles. On the 13s and beyond, it's every 10,000 miles because we have synthetic oil and some different parts now. But when you come in for service and you get a routine oil and filter service, we're doing just that. We're doing an oil filter change, refresh oil in the vehicle, and we always, with any one of our services, we're going to perform what we call an MPI, or a multi-point inspection sheet. And what an MPI is it's essentially kind of the 20,000 foot look over of all the important safety related items on your car. It's just kind of a quick glance to make sure everything's doing okay. Not an in-depth check, but a quick glance. Now let's contrast that with a factory scheduled maintenance. I have an example here of a 75,000 mile service for a 2011 XC90. Now if you were due for your oil change at 75,000 miles, we would be replacing your engine oil and we would do your oil filter and resetting your indicator, of course. Now this is the 75,000 mile factory scheduled service. So we are replacing oil, oil filter, we're resetting your indicator, we are replacing your air filter, your brake fluid, your cabin air filter, your spark plugs, we are inspecting your pads, linings, and the rotors or drums, drive axle boots, the exhaust system and heat shields, parking brake operation, we're inspecting power steering fluid level, propeller shaft, steering operation and linkage, suspension components, tires, universal joints, windshield wiper blades, brake fluid, constant velocity joints, engine and coolant level, and on and on and on. You get the gist. So this is a normal scheduled maintenance. It actually includes 23 inspections. That includes replacing fluids, checking fluids, and looking at things that we normally would not look at as part of a normal MPI and a lube oil filter change. The other reason maintenance intervals are important, it's in your owner's manual. You should have received a factory scheduled records book, and if you look in these books, there are areas where you can have it stamped for each service. And we always encourage folks to pull these books out of the owner's manuals and bring them inside so that our service advisors can stamp these at time of service. It has proof of the service done. Of course, we keep these records electronically as well. Reason for doing that, frankly, it helps to keep your factory warranty in effect. If we were to have something happen close to the end of the warranty or just thereafter, it gives us a good case that this car has been really well maintained. It gives Volvo a good reason to step up and take care of the customer. It also is, as I hope you know as a Volvo owner, the average lifespan of a Volvo is a little over 19 years, which is almost double the average lifespan of most vehicles on the road. Part of keeping them on the road for that 19.2, I believe it is, years, is performing your factory scheduled maintenance. So I hope that helped answer some questions for you and kind of clarify the differences between an oil change, routine oil change, and a true Volvo factory scheduled maintenance. A lot more included in these maintenance intervals to keep your Volvo on the road for years to come. So we appreciate your business. We hope you and your family have a safe holiday season and a great new year, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time.